I'm Rachel Borzymowski. I'm a senior from Falston, Maryland, studying biology, and I'm on the field hockey team. I started working in Dr. Shaw Mullen's lab at the beginning of last semester, so the spring semester. About 2 months later, they were like, we need an extra person to go on this trip to Costa Rica with us and help us actually do the field work, so they asked me. I was so excited because I have never really been asked to do anything like that before. The purpose of our experiment was to see how quickly birds were able to learn if a butterfly was unpalatable or not based on whether or not they were feeding in a high density area or a low density area. So the high density experiment, the butterflies were just placed a lot closer together, and so there were more butterflies. And then in the low density experiment, they were placed 2 meters apart as opposed to 1 meter. The butterflies that we were using, they were actually paper butterflies that we made during the school year, and we printed them on a really nice photo printer and pasted them on some cardstock and sprayed them so they wouldn't get damaged from water. We would put the butterflies out on the trail and leave them there, and then every single day for the next 3 days we would have to go out and walk the same exact trail and see if our butterflies were attacked or not. So the way that you could see if they were attacked is we had clay abdomens that we attached to them, which has been used in a lot of different research projects on butterflies in the past. And if the clay abdomen had a little dent in it, you could see that it was a bird's beak. And then we would take a picture and record it and write it down and say that was an attack. I learned how much goes into a research project and how much planning has to be done. And then on the flip side, how much problem solving is done, especially in field work. There might be a trail that's closed off for the day. How are you going to go around it? And then besides it, it's just kind of built off of all the teamwork and leadership experience that I've been developing while playing field hockey.